What's up everyone, I'm Wei and great to see you again today. I want to share with you about TikTok series, a new way to monetize on TikTok by allowing you to charge a set of price for success with your premium informative content. With series, you can create, load, price, and promote this collection all within TikTok.
If you found this introduction inspiring and informative, don't forget to hit the subscribe button to stay updated with the latest insights and tips for creating captivating TikTok series.
Get ready for a thrilling adventure where the creativity is endless. But wait, who is eligible to embark on this exciting journey of TikTok series? The answer might just surprise you.
As for TikTok, to be eligible for series, you must meet the following requirements. First, be 18 years of age or older, have an account that at least at 30 days old, have a public personal account, business account, political and private account is not eligible, post 3 public posts or more in the last 30 days, reach 1,000 views or more in the last 30 days, post original content, provide a sample of videos sold on another platform. Only sub-creators are required to provide this information, have an account in good standing with no repeated violation of our community guidelines.
We also noted the series is currently available to select eligible creators only. All eligible creators will be applied through the Creative Center coming soon.
With TikTok series, the stage is yours to craft engaging narratives, share your expertise, and connect with global communities that thrives on innovation and authenticity.
The best part, you don't need a million of followers or a fancy camera setup to get started. What really matters is your passion and your commitment to delivering content that resonates.
I'd like to hear your thoughts, ideas, and experiences in the comment section below. Share your journey with us and let's create a vibrant community of creators supporting each other. And before you go, make sure to tap the notification bell button so you're the first to know when my next videos drop.
Until next time, keep sharing, keep connecting, and keep creating on TikTok series. I'm Wei.